Hey friends, I'm at the 48th Avenue end of the 48th Street end of Grand Central Madison, the Long Island Railroad terminal underneath Grand Central Station. And I'm just going to do a walkthrough from 48th Street down to 42nd Street and just point out a few things. Over here is one of four banks of escalators that go down to the mezzanine level. We are on the concourse level, and from the mezzanine level, there's access to the two levels, the two track levels. This is Saturday, about 9 o'clock, 9:30, 9:49. So it's pretty quiet. And on both sides here are what are retail spaces, or at least on the left side is retail space that has not opened up. On the right side is I don't know what you call it. It's pretty cool. It's a changing of different types of artwork, different histories, all about Long Island, the Long Island Railroad, New York City. It's worth hanging out here if you got 5 minutes before your train. Here's the second set of escalators down to the mezzanine level at 47th Street. And we have some ticketing machines in this area too. The next section is pretty cool. We have a map, lifetime map of the railroad and all the branches, and it shows where the trains are, shows all the stations. It's worth a look. On the other side, there's a mosaic. There's a lot of like art type work. Behind the map is the customer service area. You can buy tickets from clerks. It's usually not very crowded there because most people are using either ticket machines or buying tickets on their phone. There also is a ticket machine back here. And there are departure board signs, either simple ones like this that just show the rail line, or there's more complex, if you will, signs showing each individual station and when the next train is. So now we're at the 46th Street escalator bank. And here's one of the kiosks that kind of serve as a temporary measure until they get some of these retail places open, so people buy snacks for their rides. You are allowed to eat and drink on the trains. There's another, looks like it's going to be a retail place. This station has been open about a year and 3 or 4 months, a year and 4 months. So hopefully the retail spaces will get open pretty soon. Here's some more retail spaces to be in this area. And now we're at the 45th Street escalator bank. And it appears to be a little bit more crowded, and that's as we're getting closer to the main concourse. Here's some additional ticketing machines. There also are elevators down to the mezzanine level. some people, uh, the escalators are quite long, and some people just don't like them. There's also bathrooms here. They're much better than the bathrooms in Grand Central Station above us. Because they're practically brand new and very well designed. Here we have a couple of kiosks that are open, selling snacks. So we're almost to the end of our walk. Those escalators go up to Grand Central. I'm not sure if that's up to the Biltmore Room or not, but we're continuing our walk to the end. There's kind of like a photographic art exhibit at this end. I've looked at it before, did a video on it. It's pretty nice, pretty well done. Behind it are more areas for retail. Nothing is open. And here we have Happy Anniversary, Long Island Railroad celebrating 190 years. It's pretty amazing. And there's some cool photos of some of the old-timey equipment. So it's worth it. I'll have to come back and check this out. But here we are at the end of the concourse. So we walk basically from 48th Street, and we're pretty close to 42nd Street, maybe 43rd Street. And this exit will take us to the lower level, or the dining concourse of Grand Central Station. And these lower platforms are, the whole station now is commuter rail. This is tracks 101 to 115. Above us is tracks, I want to say 11 to 41. And then the Long Island Railroad tracks are numbered in the 200s and 300s. So friends, here we are at the dining concourse. I think we're going to get a snack and head on out of the station. But there you have it. Short tour of the concourse level of Grand Central Madison. Have a great day, everybody. Take care.